Hi guys, so today is that I'm gonna celebrate my 17th birthday with my friends and kasama ko na ngayon si Kashmir. So we're here at Carlitos, Isulan. So now we're waiting for our friends to arrive. Actually, 9 yung usapan namin, 9 to 10 yung usapan and it's almost 11 p.m. I mean 11 a.m. So yeah. Now, nag-order na kami ngayon ni Cash and I don't know what to order. Like, sure na ako sa fresh vegetable lettuce ko because I wanna stay healthy. Kasi like, last night, ang dami kong nakain ng mga oily food or something. So, I want something new. And then, for the chicken, actually, they have chicken. Oh, may sisig sila. Gusto mo ng sisig, Cash?
Yeah.
Sige, chicken sisig na lang. And fresh vegetable lettuce.
Ganap-ganap ka dyan.
Gusto niyo mag-drinks?
Malamang, gusto mo mamatay tayo dito?
Hindi ko hindi. Char. Ay, ayoko ng puto combo.
Ay.
Ito na nga ba eh. Counting money, guys.
70. 200?
Wait lang, akin daw. Kunin ko daw yung bago na 50. Palitan
Okay
ko.
mo naman.
Palitan ko.
Oo. Bigay sa'yo.
Hi guys, so nasa Carlitos kami. Binigyan ako ni Kashmir at ni Isay ng flowers. Handmade. So pretty guys. And it's my favorite color, pink. Isay guys. Say hi. Wait, vlog ko naman yung ano naman ako sa vlog natin. Vlog ko. Say hi guys. Siya yung nagbigay ng flowers. Siya yung nagawa ng flowers. You're so creative. See that? They are so suspicious, guys. Kanina pa sila suspicious pagdating ni Isay. This is Isay and Kashmir.
Suspicious, not me.
Suspicious sila. Kanina pa yan sila suspicious. Tapos pagdating ni Isay, nang binigay niya sa kanyang flower, nag-alis sila tapos nag-chismis sila ng sila lang. Without including me, ah.
True.
I felt so left out for a minute. Yeah, ang tagal talaga. Ang tagal ni Micaela and then ni Divine. Si Micaela, nawala siya kasi... Sige, ang suspicious na naman nila.
Chat yan ni Micaela.
Suspicious talaga.
Chat yan ni Micaela.
So, ayun, si Micaela, napunta siya sa El Carlitos instead of Carlitos. And then yung El Carlitos is like super malayo. Sa Tacorong kasi yung El Carlitos. And then super malayo pa. Papasok pa siya sa Tacorong. Tapos, ang Carlitos naman is nasa Isulan. Which is, ang Carlitos is yung cafe. Tapos, ang El Carlitos is like swimming pool. Diba?
Ano si Arnel?
Ay, tara.
Si Arnel.
Tara, CR tayo, Cash.
Kanina naman ba kayo dyan?
CR ka?
Go na.
Nag-check lang man ako ng makeup ko sana.
Go na.
Huwag na, maya na ako.
Bakit may mirror sila dyan?
Tara. Guys, pink lemonade. Because it's pink. Okay lang.
Hindi siya yung overpowering.
Hindi siya kagay sa canteen. Good.
Okay pa po. Very strong. Bakit makahawa ako ng cancer?
No.
Guys, I will give you cancer.
Hindi makahawa ang cancer.
Ito na pilit ko.
Ay.
Kahawa. Pero paano? Paano nagka-cancer?
If you do, anong ginaya?
Sino yan?
Itago niyo ako. Wait.
I don't know what to say. Ay. Against the light kasi dapat ito sa kapila. Ano sabihin mo? Nag-effort pa naman yan siya magpunta dito. Ang OA nyo naman. Day to you. Happy birthday. Ay, mag-kiss-andal na ba tayo? Maya na. Yan, sige, go. Blow mo. Blow na, blow na. Make a wish. Anong laro dyan? Grabe na nga yung ano namin dito.
Make a wish.
Oh, seryoso. Make a wish.
Make a wish!
Oh, hindi yung totoong wish.
Dapat i-blow mo ng
I-blow mo
maayos.
talaga. Oo, oo. Wow! Tara. Oy, pag... Wait, dapat slow lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Uy, sabihin niyo ako dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wala tayong ano, lighter. Blow mo na. Ay, magwa daw siya. Kailangan natin mag-blow. Hello, pilig na pilig talaga siya.
Photographer.
Yeah.
Love it.
Tapos, nagsa lang kami. Okay lang yan.
Okay lang yan. Hindi siya
Anong oras ka mag-ulik? Hindi na akong balik sa school. Sabi ni Nicole, hindi na daw ako magbalik. Kasi sabi ko, hindi pa kami nakakain. Ayan, ayan.
Ayusin mo ka siya.
Hindi nga kami ko.
Look pretty.
Yes.
Alright.
Wow!
Okay guys, I would like to thank you, Kashmir. Video ba kami ni Carl kanina?
Hello.
Okay lang.
Meron, kinabidyoan ko sila dalawa.
Ay, habang nag-picture?
Thank you guys for doing this. Thank you. And thank you kay sa cake, kay Micaela and Divine. Thank you sa flowers, Isai, and Kashmir. Thank you sa cake, Carl. Ipap ko na lang yung picture mo dyan. And then thank you, Carlitos. Happy birthday to me from Carlitos. Bye-bye. You look so stressed. Oh my gosh.
Gano'n ka kasaya ng scale of 1 to 10?
Scale 1 to 10? 100 out of 10. Thank you so much, Cash, for doing this party. For ano? Sino guys? Anong terms na nag-initiate? I thank you for planning this birthday celebration of mine together with Isabel, Micaela, and Divine. Isay, I mean. Together with Isay. Thank you sa flowers. Thank you din sa flowers. And then thank you, Carl, sa cake. Thank you, Micaela. Thank you kahit talit ka. Thank you,
Ay, share kami doon sa cake.
Oo. Ay, thank you. Okay, itong cake na to. Itong cake kay Micaela and kay Divine. Alin, dapat sa vlog ko ako nag-ano.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, mag-wish ka na ulit. Wow! Sana all. Gusto ko din nga mag-birthday ako ah.
Oh my gosh.
Gano'n ka kasaya na scale of 1 to 10?
Scale 1 to 10? 100 out of 10.
Wow.
The reality of surprising someone.
Hoy, dapat yung mga gift, hindi na yung ginasabi, yung mga prizes.
Oo.
Hello! We will never know. Dapat yung lagyan natin ng happy birthday.
Lagyan ng piso sa loob.
Oo.
Okay, sino yung gusto mo, Nek? Oh.
Guys,
Guys, ikon na lang yan. Kung kayo lang ano. Sino gusto yung ganito mo?
Ako nga gusto ko kasi masarap.
Happy. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday. Uy, dugat ng bati ka mo. Dapat. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday. Happy 17th birthday, Roxanne. Happy 17th birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy 17th birthday, Roxanne.
Subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko. May YouTube channel ako with 15 followers. Talaga lang ba?
Hi, shoutout sa nanay ko dyan.
Subscribe kayo ah. Subscribe ka ah.
Masasarap.
Ako. Pati sa ano, sa face. Bok expert pala si
Hindi niyo pag i-distract si Nicole, please.
Dito ma-shot talaga guys.
Ang kamot mo, Roxanne.
May video ka? Gago talaga. Nagyari sa'yo. Diyan pa sana ako TikTok ko lang.
Hello, Telegram.
Hi guys, so walang ano.
Wala kami masakyan, wala tricycle.
Wala talaga kami masakyan. Nasundo na yung iba namin kasama nag-uwi na. Kalas kami wala kami masakyan.
Oh my gosh. Daw wala lang klase, boss.
Yeah.
Time check.
May quiz pa kami, boss.
May quiz din kami bukas. Kaya ko yan. Kaya natin yan.
Hanggang 12 na to.
We're strong.
One.
Ang dami kong flowers ngayon, guys. Kaya sila papa, hindi rin ako makapasundo.
Gamit si kuya sa sa Barrio Dos.
May lalaki man tayo kasama.
Si Jimboy pag-in.
Kaya mo na.
Hindi ko ano eh.
Hi guys, I just got home from my birthday and I received a lot this 17th birthday of mine and it's so good. I received first flower from Isay. Oh my god, tanggal. Sorry. I received first handmade flower from Isay in Kashmir. So handmade. And then I received this flower from Kate. So good with teddy bear. And then I received this bouquet from Secret. And then I received this bouquet from Julia. And then I also have some gifts. I'm gonna unbox the gift, guys. This is from Althea. Oh my god, super super prestigious. Gitali niya na lang kasi walang scotch tape. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Bracelet! Oh my god, bracelet thing! Oh my god, thank you, Althea, for the bracelet. It's so good. It have... Oh my god, may fake siya. Oh my god, okay, I like it. Next is... keychain, guys! You really know me. Oh my god, oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it on my bag. Oh my god. Next is, oh, another one from Free Life. What is this? Oh, perfume. Wait. How am I supposed to open? Okay, perfume siya. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, this is it. Okay. Oh my god. It's pink. Oh my god. You know me so well. Wait lang yung hair ko. I'm so stressed. Let me smell. Oh my god. Oh, mabango siya, guys. Mabango siya. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna use this. Pero like, I'm gonna use this now. Not masyado. Maybe some... minsan lang. Kasi like, I wanna keep the smell. And then second is from Jimboy. Thank you so much, James. Sabi niya like, yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it's perfume. Fragrance again. Baho. Ay, sorry. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Wait. Okay, I have here perfume. Oh, shit. Oh, mabango din siya. Oh my god, mabango siya. Next is chocolate. I have Kit Kat and Snickers. Thank you, Jim. Thank you so much. Last is from Kim. I have here a water bottle. Actually, it's good. I'm gonna put my matcha drink here. So, I'm gonna open. Oh my god, it's pink. And I like it because it's pink. And I love it because it's pink. Although, feel ko souvenir siya. Oh my god, ang dami kong pang junk journal! Wait, guys. Wait, ang hirap niya i-open. Ayan. Ang hirap niya i-open lang. I'm just gonna scratch it na lang. Ang hirap din i-scratch. Oh my god. Ayan. Okay, and then I have here a drinks with flower of youth. Oh my god. It's so sweet. It's so sweet. Thank you, Kim. Oh my god, it's so maganda ha. That's all the gifts that I received. Thank you, guys.